Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Encrypted Freedom. I just thought I'd make this quick little video today just because after looking at the market yesterday, I saw the dip and I was like, right, I need to make a video on this because this is basically because you have to condition yourself to get used to these dips. At the time, they feel like it's going to go down forever. And you feel like you're just losing your money and it's the end of the world. But you flip it on its head, this is actually a great opportunity to enter some more coins and some more positions for the long term, basically. Just because the economic cycle, again, 4 years, history normally often repeats itself. So these dips, really, in my opinion, are for buying. So we'll dive into the charts now, take a quick look. So Bitcoin was obviously 11% down, 12% down over the last 2 days, 3 days. So as you can imagine, many altcoins along with this have gone down either 20, 30% back to levels before the big run. And I have taken a few positions, added a few more spot positions to my portfolio as I had cash waiting on the side from profits from the previous run. Everybody should take profits along the way because that's what you trade for, isn't it? That's what you trade for, make money. And really, if you don't cash the profit, then what are you actually doing? So yeah, I think this is a great opportunity at the minute. Like I say, the prices are down. It was topping at 73,000 and it's now found a nice support, a nice bounce, even if it's a dead cat bounce, 66,000. Again, altcoins down, bouncing now back after last night's dip, and the dip is getting bought back up due to the things and the news which is around the corner. As everybody knows, a new bull market is beginning. A bull market is basically where prices just go up sustainably for a short period of time, and then they call that an alt season. Obviously, money flows from Bitcoin to Ethereum to mid caps, low caps, and so on and so on. But that's for another video, explaining this different types of caps and different types of coins, basically. But yeah, I just thought I'd jump on and make a quick video because next week is massive news again in America. They've got a few decisions. The Fed decision, lowering interest rate potential. So it's a big news week next week. So we should see some certainty from the markets on that behalf. Whether it's bullish or bearish news, who knows at the time. And just wanted to highlight another thing: pullbacks in crypto are normal, just so everybody isn't scared out of positions and panic sells. And this is normal. Like I say, nothing can go up forever. So I'll show you another time in the past where it felt like the situation was all over and you thought, wow. 2017, 67% retracement. That's just a cooling off period. If you look, like I say, if in doubt, zoom out, they say. You bought there, you think, we're down. And then it bottoms out and away she goes again. So there's no bad time to buy Bitcoin. You just have to be patient and you just know that you have to sit on your hands. Think long term. This is what I try and drill into people in Encrypted Freedom is you should always think long term. Too many people have got short term mind and it doesn't help them in this situation. You should always think long term. They make the markets like this to scare you out of your positions so that you can buy back higher, and that's a proven fact. And Bitcoin, again, we all know Bitcoin is the most volatile asset class out there. We know it can swing up and down. It's not like your stocks where you can move a little bit up and down. It's very slow and steady, and which some people may like that side of trading. It's good to have a balanced portfolio. Like I say, I've got stocks, I've got my crypto, and so on and so forth. And also, in other news, we are about 30 days out from the Bitcoin halving, which means the mining rate for the Bitcoin goes from 6.2 to 3.1. So the blocks are halved. This again is more bullish news that Bitcoin in the future could rally even higher. Just look at the chart. We've already broken out of last cycle's highs, 2021, where the last bull run began. Well, midway through it. Well, ended, shall we say. It was an incredible time. That was my first cycle. Now this is my second cycle. I'm in a much better position after learning and spending so much time analysing fundamentals, you name it. I've got really big belief for this run. I've got a couple of positions there I'm holding. I'll make some more future videos on them as they come, but remember, pullbacks are normal. Buy the dip in this market and think long term. That is the process you have to do in this game, the money game they call it. Think long term. It's great for building mental toughness, because it shows you who real self is of being patient. Another news as well in this year is election year, which again is normally good for the market. So all round this year I see nothing but upside. So stay calm, stay collective, and buy the dip. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.